Is it possible to navigate from Helsinki to Nordkap with the Linuxmobile phone running Mosparket OS? Let's find out. First, you need to enable GPS on your device. And a lot of people are complaining that they don't have GPS. But it's just on Postmarket OS Edge. There is a really old version of Modem Manager which requires you to have a SIM card inserted, and you manually need to enable GeoClue. So I recommend you to first get the current version of Modem Manager and compile it on your phone. You'll find a how-to on my wiki. Let's have a look at Osmin. If you're on S6MO, you can use my launcher script. It will help you a lot. It automatically enables GeoClue and all the things needed for GPS. When Osmin is launched, if you're using it for cycling, it's best to first go to Configure Map, and down here in the style you can select cycle. This is really good. Now you have all cycling path on the map. Thing is that the cities are really barely visible, so you have to zoom in quite a bit to find the name of the village, which is really annoying. You can go to tracks and then just import your GPX. There is a bug. That's basically the line we are following now. I really like this application. For cycling, it's one of the best available apps. The compass works only when you are moving, otherwise it's there is pure maps, and again it's easier if you use my launcher. This will check if you have internet or not. If not, it will automatically launch the map server, so you have offline maps. To use pure maps offline, you first need to download offline maps. For this you go into OSM Scout Server GUI. Into the map manager, and here you can subscribe to maps, the ones you need, and download them. And if you want to plan routes longer than 100 kilometers, you have to go to settings, Valhalla, and change the limit for route by bicycle in kilometers. To find a shelter when it's raining, or to find supermarkets. Workaround is to go to Pure Maps and select nearby venues, make the range a bit bigger, go to type and search for shelters. Then click on search, show on the map, and now you get this blue lines which show you where the shelters are. So tonight we're going to sleep in this shelter. It's the plan, but how do I get the coordinates out now? So you can use one of my scripts in the user scripts folder. It's called QROCR screen, and then you just select the coordinates. So they're copied now, so you can go back to Osmin, go to search, and enter the coordinates here, remove longitude, and latitude. Hit enter and say navigate. Now you get the destination here, and since I don't want to keep on the navigation because it sucks a lot of battery, I just long click on the screen and mark it. So now it's marked. Yeah, that's the little quirks you have to do, but hopefully if one of you sees this video and has some spare time to code, please add shelters and supermarkets to Osmin. Let's talk about energy consumption. If you just follow a GPX track, it will last maybe for 8 or 9 hours, then the battery is empty. So I made this little Conky script to check whether it is charging or not. The thing is, if you go slower, the amperes drop, and if you go faster again, they will stay down, which is pretty annoying. So always you have to unplug and replug. But hopefully this gets fixed soon. I know there also exists Mappo, but to be honest it's completely not usable right now. I don't know where I am, and I can't import GPX tracks, and resetting the map, it takes nearly a minute. I really hope they will keep on developing it, and it looks nice, but for the moment it's not usable. To answer the question, yes, it is possible. Black screen. Africa upgrade sucks. Broken.